Also fear tonight among parents of transgender kids after the White House rolled back of public school bathroom requirements for those students. Let's go to Local 10 News reporter Glenna Milberg, who is working this one for us tonight. Glenna.
Calvin, what President Trump did essentially was roll back guidance that was given by President Obama, but that was held up in the courts anyway. So really, this decision changes nothing legally nor practically in schools, but for so many, it really does send a chilling message.
Trans equality now!
The reversal brought this backlash around the country.
Protect trans students!
But no legal nor practical change. In diverse South Florida schools, districts have their own anti-discrimination policies. Each student may use the bathroom of the gender with which he or she identifies.
Our schools had and continue to have gender-neutral bathrooms for all students.
We have policies in place, anti-discriminatory policies in place that ensure that the rights of these children are protected.
Really sends a message that the White House does not have people's backs.
Rodrigo Hang-Leighton is one of the most visible transgender advocates. As the son of South Florida Congresswoman Ileana Ross-Leighton, he argues a state-by-state, county-by-county patchwork of policies is confusing and frightening.
Whether or not you have protections from discrimination depends on your zip code, and that really underscores the need for federal law.
Wednesday, President Trump sent the issue back to the states, essentially rescinding the guidance President Obama's Justice Department dispatched last May to include transgender bathroom rights in Title IX protections. Title IX is the 1972 law requiring gender equity for boys and girls in every educational program that receives federal funding.
Imagine you're a principal of a school where you have not had a transgender student come out before, and you don't know what to do. Now you're getting mixed signals.
Well, there might be clearer signals and some guidelines coming next month. That's when the U.S. Supreme Court is set to take up a case out of Virginia. And the central question in that case is, does gender identity fall under the umbrella of sex discrimination law? And the answer to that will apply to bathroom identity as well. I'm Glenna Milberg, live in Miami-Dade tonight, Local 10 News.